But Bangladesh have got themselves into a good momentum. Don't forget that.
Down the wicket in the air. Gone! He's gone! Mushfiqur Rahim finds the man in the deep. He's gone for one of his favorite shots. The slog sweep over mid-wicket. He's distraught. The two batsmen cross, but Mushfiqur Rahim with all the momentum.
Well, I said that before the start of the over, only one man can defend those 9 runs, and he's done that beautifully. First delivery, and he's picked up the danger man Mushfiqur Rahim, who picked up 5 boundaries in the previous over. Hit in the air, you get out. That's exactly what has happened.
Mahmudullah on strike, they crossed. It's on the pads, and it's a leg bye. New man at the crease. And that was off the bat.
And that's his first match of the series, Ariful Haq. Usually plays in the lower order in the BPL, and he can score runs quickly. They need 8 or 4 balls.
Who does he play for? Hangs his head. Oh my goodness, bottom edge. Does this run away? Man gives chase. They're looking for 3. It's not on. What a cliffhanger. Over. I must remind you at home, there is the opportunity of a super over. 6 runs off 3 balls. It's on. Finds an edge. It's 1. 5 off 2. Need a big one here, Mahmudullah.
Yeah, what's good for Bangladesh is that he is now on strike. He's picked up a single and given back the strike to Mahmudullah, who's been batting for a while. 44 of 37. Inside the circle, there are 2 cover, wideish one on the offside, inside the circle, and the rest on the boundary ropes.
Must remind everybody at home, the men behind the wicket are very fine, so he's going to be bowling this as quick as possible at the stumps. Big shot in the deep, looking for 2. And that's just 1. The young man is on strike.
Great delivery, great over. Turning out to be a fantastic over, just a single. They need a boundary to win the match. A man on strike is...
There we go, it's all set up. 4 of 1. Big shot, down the ground. Oh my goodness! Oh my word, what a piece of fielding! They're making it, they're looking for 3, it comes in! Afghanistan win! What a game of cricket!
It looked like that he was going for a 6. Have a look at this. He had to jump all the way up, pulled it back, bounce inside the ropes. Oh! Hang on! He's in the air. Where's the foot landing? Is the ball still touching the hand? Is the question.
Right, I tell you what, third umpire, you've got your work cut out for you here. His foot is off the ground. There we go, off the ground. He flicks it back and then... I tell you what. I think he's done exceptionally well here, Shafiq. There's the foot in the air. He lets go, the foot comes down.
The question is, he's touching the heel. The heel is touching the ground. Whether the ball is still touching the fingers is the question. Too tight.
It's been given runs. This is what our producer tells me right next to me. And what a cliffhanger of a cricket game. I tell you what, Afghanistan win by 1
at long off, and somehow he managed to pull it back. Shafiq was the fielder. I thought it was brilliant for him to pull it back and ensure that they do not the ball does not go for the boundary. What a match, what a cliffhanger, a nail-biting finish, but